Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes could cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush cap that secures the brush to the saw. Once the brush cap is removed, I can remove the brush. To install the new brush, I'll align it with the holder, then compress the brush spring, and re-secure it with the brush cap. When tightening the cap, I want to be sure that I don't over-tighten it, or I can crack it. And I'll repeat this on the opposite side. And that's how easy it is to install a new carbon brush set in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.